Hi everyone, it's Miss Bradshaw here. I am going to be talking you through what is happening in Year 11 with regards to the teacher assessed grades, how your child can revise for them, and what to do if you have any other questions. So first of all, myself and Miss Hazel are the heads of maths here. So if you do have any questions after this Loom, feel free to contact us on one of these email addresses. Okay, so in terms of the evidence for maths, the students are going to be sitting 3 test papers in test conditions in the classroom, and it will be covering all content on the course. However, there is compensation that is being made as a result of lockdowns, which I'll talk about in a moment. At the end of every lesson, students are doing exam questions which are based upon what they've learnt that day, meaning it's fresh in their mind and they're able to put their best foot forward and demonstrate their ability in that topic, okay, having just learnt it. Their bookwork, so what they're doing in the starter and the standard of work they're doing throughout the lessons may also be used as evidence, and any additional work that they're doing in period 6 may also be used. In the event that in the tests that they sit, maybe they have a really tough time and they get a grade lower than their December mock, then we might use that as evidence instead, but we don't anticipate that really happening. In terms of revision, period 6, although it's voluntary, it will be used as a revision session with teacher support, so I would strongly recommend that students attend that. I mentioned earlier that although they're doing tests that cover the whole course, we have actually been very transparent with students regarding what's coming up on those tests. So 2 weeks prior to that, the students will get a list of exactly what's coming up on each test and how to revise that. And everything that is being taught in lessons and done in revision sessions is all building up to those specific topics. Okay, so we are preparing them for what is coming up on the paper. All right. They can also, and I really strongly recommend they do this, use those lists that have been provided to use website platforms such as MathsWatch, Corbett Maths and Method Maths to support that revision. And again, I'll show you how to do that in a second. So on their class charts, they will have received a list that looks like this. This is the paper 1 list, I believe, for foundation. There's another one for higher, and that will be on their class charts. Now, if you have a look down the left-hand side, there are numbers. Those numbers are the MathsWatch clips, and at the bottom, there are some Corbett MathsWatch links. Corbett Maths video links if there wasn't a video on MathsWatch. So they will go straight to those videos to learn and revise how to do it. Okay, and there are questions linked with both of those. So I'm just going to show you, this is what Corbett Maths looks like. So they head over to this website and they will see this screen. If they go Control F, you can then search for the video clip number. So let's say I was looking for video 213. Here's the video. I can then watch that, make notes, and then there's practice questions and extra questions here with solutions for them to consolidate what they've learnt. MathsWatch they will have used loads of times, but they'll just log in, search the clip in here, watch the video, and then they can do the interactive questions and worksheets as consolidation. So both of these link to that MathsWatch. Sorry, that revision list that has been provided. Okay, do use this. It's such a fortunate position to be in to know exactly what's coming up. Okay, so they should make full advantage of that. Sorry, take full advantage of that. The assessment dates, they're all happening in lesson time or during lesson time. I think one's during a science lesson, and these are the dates. So Wednesday the 28th of April, period 3 and 4. That'll be paper 1, which is non-calculator. Friday the 7th of May, period 3 and 4, which is the second paper, which is calculator, and then Monday the 17th of May, which is paper 3. Okay. If you have any information, feel free to contact your child's teacher, or you can contact myself and Miss Hazel, and I'll be happy to support. And if you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Take care.